Okay, testing. Testing. Does this work? Yep, sure does. Yay. Get off the microphone. Get off the microphone. Come on. Come on. Get off the microphone. Get off. Come on. Bird. Henry is being cantankerous today. Come on. Want some coffee? Alright, here we go. I think this we're still live streaming, so it looks like we are. Explain. We have sound. Okay, let's do this. Alrighty, so get off that. Let's go to here. Close these out. What do we got? Movers over here. One's over there. Then let's do this. Close, and here we go. So, you have to get off the microphone. Alright, here we go. We are live, looks like. Yes, we are. Alrighty. Welcome to Working with Me. I'm Michael. That's what I do. I'm gonna get set up here. I've got to get set up first. We started about 11:30. That's fine. It's I'm just gonna do this for about half an hour or longer if I've got people that want to check it out. I don't see my doc for my chat I don't see that. You've got to get off the microphone. Get over here. Got Henry with us today. He's likes to get in trouble. Right now he is in trouble. But come on. We're going to switch accounts. We go to the client account and not my accounts. Go to this one. So here we are. Here this would filter data. I don't know what that means. So with a little luck, everything goes what? I'm wearing my WordPress 20th anniversary T-shirt along with Henry on it. He's going to run around, ow, on it, and he's going to bite me. So I'm going to do my best not to cuss because he's a feisty little creature this morning today. Don't stir me. Come on, get back on my shoulder. Get off the microphone. This is going to be working with Michael and seeing why. Hey, look, this is why he's behind on this project. Ow. So this is what it's like to have a parakeet in the office with you. And coffee's essential. Okay, so over here, this is the back end of this website for the Realtor Association of Citrus County. I did not mean to open that up. I don't need that. I never need that. I'm going to come back over here, pull this to a different screen. I'm about to show passwords. I can't do that. Ow! And not have everything hacked, so I'm not going to do that. Because we're going to bring up FileZilla. I'm also doing some custom work on this. Live streaming, top chat, no one's chatting. That's fine. Because this is my second live stream, so I'm not sure how this is going to work or not. Ow! Oh! Knock it off. So, I love Henry. This is FileZilla right over here, because we don't really want that. That's a big screen over here. Come over here. This is not on the screen. Get off the microphone. Come on. Very interesting post from Kevin Sandlin on LinkedIn concerning the Small Business Administration. And if you're in the United States, that might be something you'll want to check out a little bit later. He's a buddy of mine in Georgia who you're about to get locked up. You are about to get locked up. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? No, you don't, because you're a bird. Come on, let's go get locked up. Give me just a second, guys. I gotta put the bird away. No, get in the cage. Come on. Get in the cage. Get in the cage. Alright. So I'm back. Make sure that everything's good there. Looks like we are. Okay, good. We are looking for the passwords for this project. And I also have another screen going on over here, so if you see me going off it there and kind of wonder what happened to me, I'm right there. Okay, so we're going to, I don't think, where's that? There we go. This FTP logins. I like going to the, when I'm working with WordPress with WP Engine, especially if I've got any custom coding to do, and I've got some custom coding to do, then we need to use SFTP, since you do not have a cPanel with WP Engine. If you have any any custom coding to do. It's some people like to do it just straight on the server, and that's has its pros and its cons. I'm not going to say it's a totally bad. I don't like it because if you make a mistake, the good news is cPanel has made it so you cannot make a mistake in PHP. It simply won't publish if there is a mistake in it. So that is that's good news with that. Yeah. Quick connect there, and there we go. We are connected. So we're going to go down here. So we have a model site. We're not copying the site, we are modeling some things after it. So if anybody else sees this and says, hey, I know those guys, they're going to be mad. Don't worry, we're not stealing any of your information. We're just going to be taking some design ideas and working with them. We're going to go here. See what's going on from here. And this is also my second live stream. So I'm not that way. It's my second live stream. So these are fun. I like them. It's I've been on YouTube for probably a decade and a half, but I've only started working with it. So here we have Genesis Custom Blocks and Genesis Blocks involved. Here we have on the theme section, we've got little updates to do. We're going to push those live. 2020 Genesis Block theme needs to be updated. Okay, we'll do that. And as you can see, I've pulled in a child theme to this too. Since this is a custom build on top of Genesis Custom Blocks, I built a child theme and put it on there. I'll show you the code for that in just a minute. It's just basic stuff. It's stuff you can find out at the... Oh, anything else needs to be updated? Okay, so we are now going to do this. Always keep your plugins and stuff updated. They're rolling out 6.4.6 or 6. No, WordPress 6.6 is coming out in July. So if you follow make.wordpress.com, you'll be able to see that. Be able to watch that in real time. If you get into if they let you in the Slack channel, then you get to maybe get to talk to some of those folks too. I am on the Slack channel, but I have not done anything with that. Because some of the stuff is, I mean, it's like jumping in to a major tech build when 50 other people built it to where it is now, and then they're like, oh, do you have any ideas? I don't even know what you guys have done. Because it's really technical. It's fun, but it's really technical. It's over my head 5 times. So we got that done, we got this done. We're going to come back over here. This is what you do when you going to copy the environment and push it to live. And we'll show you what we got. Okay, review, confirm. Looks good. Looks good. I need to do this for a while. Who knows? Make it like an hour-long video. See what's going on this computer. Nothing. It is a holiday today in the United States, so it's kind of fun. So we got that done. So now we're just waiting on that. We're gonna go ahead and pull up the. This is a much larger organization than the Realtors Association of Citrus County. This is in Sarasota, Manatee, which is just down the coast from them. And this is a much larger group. It's right outside of Tampa. And Citrus County is for a little bit further up the coast, a little bit smaller of an area. But they wanted this little thing doohickey right here. Isn't that cute? Except when you click it, it goes away. I was not fond of that, so I've made some adjustments to that. They also like this layout here, which is not part of Genesis Custom Blocks. I do not have mobile built yet. I'm doing, since the design is, we're doing it the old-fashioned way with design building for the main screen first and then going down to mobile later, and I'm not going to go down to mobile today. I just simply don't have time for that. But we're going to build out some pages because all these pages need to be built out. They kind of want to just put the filler pages out there like this one and then see what happens. Well, I've already built this out to their specifications, and I've also got also working on a lot of these. The footer is where it's supposed to be. I don't think they have. Oh, they want to do that too. To build that section too. That'll be fun. I think that'll be fun. So here we have their contact information. If you're moving to Tampa, go check them out. Or if you're going to be a realtor in Tampa, even better yet, do that. So we're going to move this one over here, and I'm going to keep it as a reference. And then I also need to check my email to see when that has stopped. But it's basically front end works today. We're going to do some PHP. Since those buttons across the top on the header, the top header, are a little bit of a beast, a little bit, because I'm trying to build it within the framework of the original header. I don't want to get outside of that because of some different things. So I don't want to rebuild Genesis custom blocks, and if I were doing this in the old-fashioned way, then I would just slam it in there or just build it out. It's but working with blocks, I'm a little bit more cautious. I think that's the word I'm looking for. It's cautious. That I just feel the need to be a little bit more cautious. We're almost set up. Let's go and bring up my favorite PHP editor, PHP Storm from JetBrains. I turned on to PHP Storm when I was doing a Laravel project in Miami in 2013. I'm awfully proud of that because I mentioned it a lot. Oh, look. Got an invitation. Invitation for another build. How about that? Okay. Don't know why that would be a thing. I'd like to take a look at the job I've posted. Please submit a proposal if you're available and interested in Looker dashboard banner design, similar to Google Slides and customization. Graphic designer. I want to jump in on that. Sounds interesting. Because they don't need a graphic designer for that. Maybe they do. Who knows? I don't know what they're doing. It's not difficult. And I may be maxing out memory here too, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so there we go. Let's do something different first. It's easy to get sidetracked preparing workspace. Okay, please do. Loading HT docs. We're not going to be in HT docs because I'm not running mobile on this. I mean, I've got to update that plugin. I'll do that on another time. Put the CSS into that plugin. The thing about Genesis Custom Blocks is that it's great. It's a very fun tool to do things very, very quickly. However, it's you cannot build JavaScript into Genesis Custom Blocks. So if you want to build a dynamic or a functional WordPress block with some JavaScript in it, then you've got to do it via the docs, and that's probably in the way I've done. I think I've got another video on that, on how to build a custom WordPress doc with the CLI. I should do one with how to do one with PHP, so I can show you how. With chat. Open AI guys, Chat GPT. Because I'll show you how to build about 5 different plugins that don't work. Because ChatGPT is the ideal dream for everybody. Was that we could build. We don't need a developer anymore. We got ChatGPT. Nope, not the case. Okay, and here's the site we're building. I've got the all important build. That build in there. The top menu has been reached. Oh, okay, good. That's my little JavaScript thing. It says that's what I was working on. Was a scroll thing. Alright, so we're going to be writing some JavaScript today. I should probably turn that off. Then here's my version of the plugin, where if you get that to turn off, you click on this, and it slides right there. It comes back out. I think that's kind of cool. So that's my version of that. Let me see. So the first thing I want to do is get in here and take apart this JavaScript. Okay. Now, ChatGPT is helpful. We'll say that. It is a good tool, but if you don't know how the platform works, if you don't read PHP or JavaScript, and then you're just slamming code in there. It's probably not going to work. I think they've got an 8. I haven't checked to see what it is lately, but I think they're showing an 8% accuracy rate on coding. I'm here. I want to be here. Nishi Docs, this window, yes please. So here we are, just getting started. It's been almost 20 minutes, so we're just getting started. So how about that? So here we go. Here's the event listener. We've got that right there. And what we were doing, if I want to work on that. Probably shouldn't show you that, but I've got, this is what I'm doing right here. Just getting an interview out for that too, accepting an interview. I'll accept an interview. And very briefly, my project, duration, definitely less than 6 months, definitely less than 1 month. Designer. I got started as a graphic designer many moons ago, and I need to probably pull this somewhere else. So I had 2 viewers. So I got 0 viewers. How about that? It's buffering. Okay, so I've got string status is now poor. Oh, that's not good. So let's come over here and see what we're doing here. Properties. Oh, what's any settings? Settings. See what my live streaming stuff is. I got 1 like so far. Stream. Advanced. Video recording, stream delay, 20 seconds. Connect. Where's the setting I'm looking for? Oops. So this is not really, may not be really exciting, but that's okay. Folks all the time. The setting I'm looking for, so make sure I'm streaming out enough, but it says that I'm not. What's I got going on here? I may not have enough memory in my machine to do this. It's not making changes, and pull this up over here and see what happens. And welcome new subscribers. And right over here, still right over here. And we're going to come down to my channel. Looks like we're in good shape. I'm not going to worry about it. Okay, so we're going to get back to work now. First thing I want to do is come back over here. Take this down. And we have a new proposal. I need to get on. Designer, but I also can Studio. here. I'm going to close that out. Did not need to. So this is the boring part. Maybe let's pull that up again. There we go. We'll use that one. And then we'll get some boilerplate I have for my Upwork proposals. So I am on Upwork. By all means, check out my Upwork profile if you can, if you want to. We'll get out a Upwork proposal while we're at it. So with that, so this is definitely a work day. Not really a whole lot to put about my credentials and stuff. I mean, so for 12 connects, yeah, let's do it. Okay, so that's good. So now let's get back over here. Let's go back to my notes over here for the JavaScript on this. Where did I leave off? Did I get that pushed to live? I don't think I did, because we're still in the staging environment, so we need to, okay, I need to now push this, copy environment. And we're going to push this to there. Oh good, we've got our first tropical storm of the year, Alberto in the Gulf of Mexico. Yay! Welcome to the world, Alberto. Alberto. Tropical storm Alberto. So I hope my friends in the coastal region of Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, Texas, I hope they're doing all right. And yes, I did just name all the states on the Gulf Coast. Don't think about anybody out, unless it's further south. It's not going to be ready. So that's being pushed to the production server. So then we're going to be looking at this, and it's that part I want to take apart right now. So let's get back into the code here. We're going to take, let's just copy that out for a second, or just comment that out, because we may want that back. Save that. We're going to FileZilla, and we're going to find out where I put that. Now that is in here somewhere. Templates, I think it's custom.js under the child theme. Here we've got the child theme structure. Let me go ahead and pull this down a little bit. I know that I need that. That's big, so we'll pull that down too. And we'll come back to here, and we'll go down to the JavaScript right there. RACCFL theme JS. That is it. That was basically I wanted to make sure that the theme that was connected, because sometimes I don't connect. But it's 11:55. So it's kind of fun to do this. Have somebody watching over my shoulder. Everybody watching over my shoulder. So go to WP content. We're going to go to the file themes. Right here, and here we go. Right there. JavaScript. We're going to pull this over here. I commented that out. Now this should be functional again. Yep. Copy. Right. I'll pull this back up so we can see what I'm working on. So that's exciting. Let's see what happens now. That's in the dev server where I have that, because I don't like going straight into the production server, because it's no. And I'll probably need to hide that for this domain. Let's see what we got now. Okay, and we'll scroll that. That's still there. I have some caching issues going on. I have had caching issues with other client sites lately on, oops, that's the production server and development server. That's the thing you always have to remember when you're working with WP engines. You're working with 3 different servers, ideally. I mean, that's the way I work. You can just do one server on a WP engine, but then the way I got involved with WP Engine was because I needed to overhaul my site back around 2021, 2020. I was working with an outdated theme and didn't realize it. And I wanted to shift to something completely different, so I was moving it to Beaver Builder. It's one of my favorite platforms also. So we're going to clear all caches. Let's see if that worked. And then something else, I may need to come over here and go to Appearance, Theme File Editor, and see if the that changed. So that's the yes, I did it in pixels. You don't like it? That's not your budget. You know, some people like REM. Some people like EM. If I do font sizes in REM and EM, I choose pixels because it's all based on pixels anyway. And at least this is the we're still trying to get to the somewhere close to the finish line on that. So that's not, still not working. Okay, still not working. I may need to just top menu's been reached. Okay. So let me get my notes out again over here and see what I've got to build on that. And I may just take that thing out. I know how to do an alert in JavaScript, so I just want to do that. It's almost time for coffee. Hey, look at this. I'm getting actually nothing done and I'm ready for coffee. So that's part of the luxury of not having a boss breathing down your neck, but that's fine. There we go. Nope, stop that. Henry's been good. They're staring at the mirror. Now he tried to eat me while I was originally starting this. So, first, welcome to any all subscribers and viewers. I can't see what's going on with that right now, but good to see you. We've got a heat wave going on outside, which is always fun. Okay, so here are my notes that I've already made because this has been an ongoing thing. Let's go ahead and take that out. Sticky class. Oh, that's right. I'm going to add the JavaScript or the CSS to it, which sounds easy. But content. Where do I have that? Themes. Okay, so we have this. We have the file structure here. We don't. I guess style.css is where I can put that. I think that's a good idea. No, why not? That's a matter of fact, I already have. Sticky navigation, UL, UI. So, let me look at this JavaScript one more time. See where we're on this. Okay, Y scroll. So that worked. That works, and it throws out that bottom is. So add sticky. Let me hide this else. Remove sticky. Okay, so sticky. Oh, that's done. Okay, great. I'm just going to take that out then. So now we need to add sticky to the header.php and make sure I've got sticky in here for top navigation. And where do I have that? Top menu needs to be okay. So back over to the CSS, not block.css. That's for a specific block. We're not going to worry about that because I also need to build that plugin offline. So I'll do that in the local position fixed. So we're going to do this, and we're going to do this with top 0. Width of 100%, and background color. I don't need any background color. I'll change that. Content. That's, I don't know what that was. So we're going to save this. We're going to move the style sheet over, and the style, it's been notorious for not working well. Kind of dodging the microphone too. So we're going to Control S. So I may have a different gig to work on. How about that? So we need to take this down for now. Come back over here. This is still not working. which I haven't sent it to the server. So the would refresh this. See, we did it at 202, 1202. Going to come back over here, move this over here, get that where it needs to be. Okay, and then up here. I may have to cut this short. So I've got some other things going on that I don't know that I need to be online for. But this has been a half an hour live stream. Kind of fun. Oh, now it's saying excellent. Now it's saying that I had excellent stuff going on. Well, that's good. Always like excellent stuff going on. We're going to come back up here and up here. And we're going to move the style sheet over there too. And there we go. And let's see what happens. We need to clear cache again. Let's see if we can get this thing working. I'm on the dev server. I'm on the dev server, and this login's definitely for the dev server. This looks bland, and it looks bland on purpose because I haven't put the CSS in there yet. Because I wanted to make sure that we're still running into that. Okay. So, love it or hate it, that's one of the things about, one of the quirky things about let's see, let's try something different. But to this JavaScript file right here, and we're going to delete from the server. Yes. Okay, so now we're going to come back over here. We're going to refresh. And let's see what happens. It's still saying it's there, so that's a caching issue. On the server. Nope, don't want that. That's what my background looks like. We're going back here to Firefox. I work in Firefox. I don't know why. I mean, you got to work in something, so might as well leave Firefox, right? Oh, well, this is what we're doing today. This is just kind of a fun little thing. I'm not going to do this all day long, because that would be really boring. Oh, I'm still doing that. Okay, so we need to clear the cache some more. Off the dev server, clear all caches. All caches have been cleared. Okay, so I may need to get on the, don't have any page builders, so that's not what's going on. All caches have been cleared. And we'll get back over here to here. And that's still going on. Okay, so I'm going to go offline now. But this has been kind of fun, kind of a fun thing for me. I hope it was fun for you, maybe some informative, maybe. But this is me working live on a project, and I've got something else coming up, so I need to go take care of that. And we'll do that offline. I'm also going to let Henry out again because he's been kind of cantankerous. But thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more fun events because I've got some of the fun things coming up like Forex, foreign exchange, as well as my first ebook is coming out, the 6-month SEO plan. So I've got a whole bunch of stuff going on. Stay tuned, like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Have a great one.